In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeploy your n8n project using Railway with some easy-to-follow steps that ensure everything goes smoothly. Whether you're updating your workflows or simply making sure your setup remains optimal, this guide will walk you through the entire process. First things first, let's ensure that everything you've been working on is safe. It's fundamental to back up your n8n workflows before you begin any modifications. You can easily do this by downloading them as a JSON file right from your n8n dashboard. Taking this precautionary step will safeguard your workflows in case anything unexpected happens during the redeployment process. Now you'll want to open your web browser and head over to your Railway dashboard. This platform is where all your projects reside, so it's the perfect jumping off point for managing your n8n application. Once the page loads, locate and select the specific n8n project you wish to redeploy. You'll find it among a list of your deployed applications. Ensuring you're working on the correct project is crucial, so take a moment to double-check your selection. Next, you'll need to focus on the project environments. Click on the primary environment to dive into its settings. This environment is typically where the main configuration of your application resides and where most active changes need to be made. Navigating these settings ensures you are modifying the right elements and directly affecting your live project setup. With the environment settings open, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the familiar icon of 3 vertical dots, signifying more options. Click on this icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this list, click on Redeploy. This is essentially the command to start refreshing and updating your application's deployment. Next, a prompt will appear, asking for confirmation to proceed with the redeployment. This is your last checkpoint to verify that you are ready to initiate the update. By confirming this action, you set the redeployment in motion. To keep an eye on how things are going, you can click on View Logs. This option provides you with real-time insights into the update's progress, detailing each step of the process. Monitoring these logs can be quite reassuring, as it allows you to see that everything is proceeding as planned without any hiccup. Finally, once the redeployment process is complete, the last step is to refresh your n8n editor page. This refresh will load the new version, enabling you to continue working with the latest updates and improvements that were just installed. And there you have it. Following these steps ensures your project's redeployment goes off without a hitch. Remember, taking the time to back up your configurations and monitoring the process can save you from potential headaches down the line. Thank you for tuning in, and happy redeploying.